The iPad Pro is about to get its biggest upgrade since the OLED redesign, and it all starts with Apple's powerful new M5 chip. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reports that the next generation iPad Pro models, arriving later this year, will not only deliver a performance leap with M5, but also introduce a dual front-facing camera setup, one optimized for portrait, the other for landscape. That means FaceTime calls, meetings, and photos will finally feel natural in any orientation, solving the compromise users have dealt with since Apple shifted the camera to landscape on the M4 iPad Pro. Last year's Pro was already a milestone with its OLED display and thinner, lighter design, and those fundamentals remain unchanged. The OLED screen continues to deliver incredible visuals while keeping the device sleek and portable. But with the addition of M5, users can expect faster workflows, smoother multitasking, and better future-proofing, especially paired with iPadOS 26. Apple's upcoming software update introduces a refined liquid glass UI, new multitasking features, and optimizations that push the iPad even closer to a laptop replacement. For professionals and creatives, this combination makes the Pro more versatile than ever. Beyond the Pro, Apple refreshed the iPad Air earlier this year with the M3 chip and updated the entry-level iPad with the A16, both of which are safe to buy for now. But the real excitement lies in future hardware. Leaked Apple code suggests a new iPad mini is in development under codenames J510 and J511, powered by the A19 chip, the same chip family that will drive the iPhone 17 lineup. While rumors also point to an OLED mini, its release may not come until 2026 or even 2027. The 12th generation iPad is also on the horizon, expected to feature the A18 chip with a 16-core neural engine for AI workloads and Apple Intelligence features. That update could arrive in early 2026, bringing a big boost over the current $349 model that runs on the A16. For now, though, the spotlight is firmly on the iPad Pro. Apple is expected to announce the new M5-powered models as soon as October 2025, with pricing likely to stay in line with the current lineup, around $999 for the 11-inch and $1,299 for the 13-inch. For anyone deciding between buying now or waiting, the question is simple. Do you want the iPad Pro at its strongest yet with dual cameras and next-gen performance? Or hold out for the broader iPad refresh coming in 2026?